If you want to remove objects from photos on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, the first thing that you can do is you can use gallery. So in the gallery, we can open the photo on which we want to make some adjustments, on which we want to remove something. We're gonna use this pen icon in the bottom right corner. Next, you want to choose the eraser that we have here at the bottom, and then you have the cleanup option that you can try to use. So we can circle or brush in order to remove something. So let's say I'm gonna tap on these earbuds. Let's see if it's going to work. If it doesn't, then we can just simply draw a shape around them. And then after a short while, it should be removed. However, the result may vary. And from my personal experience so far, I'm not really satisfied with these additions of these changes. Like for example, over here, I have suddenly some plants or something like a grass. I'm not sure what it is exactly. And so if you are not really satisfied with this, then of course we can try to use something different. If you are, then you can just tap on this check and then save your photo, or you can just keep trying to remove the object and try to make it work. In my case, I'm gonna show you another thing that you can do. So what you can also do is you can go to the Photos app that is made by Google. In here, we're gonna open exactly the same photo, and you can choose Edit at the bottom of the screen. Then we can go to Actions, and in here we can find a magic eraser. And then in here you should be able to tap, circle, or brush in order to erase something. So in here I'm just gonna tap on my earbuds in order to try to get rid of them. However, here I also encountered an issue, and that is that it seems that the app is stuck while trying to erase the selected object. I'm not sure why is that. I have this issue with every photo, and I couldn't find any fix for that problem. So unfortunately, I couldn't make it work either. So if you also have the problem with this app, if the magic eraser in the Photos app doesn't work for you as well, we can use third-party apps that allow us to remove objects. And for example, if we go to the Play Store, we can search for, you can generally speaking type something like magic eraser or something. But in my case, I'm just gonna use Snapseed, which is another app provided by Google, which has the option that allows us to remove objects from photos. I'm gonna show you how to use that one, but feel free to try to find anything else. Over here, I'm gonna tap on this plus button, and I'm gonna choose the photo that I want to edit. There we go. This is the one. In here, I'm gonna go to Tools at the bottom. Then we should be able to find the healing option. And now we can select whatever we want to get rid of. So I'm gonna select my earbuds. I'm gonna also select shadows as well. And there we go. I think it looks now much better, and it works pretty much instantly. I'm gonna also select this thing over here. I'm not sure what it is. It actually got worse, so let me try to revert that. So of course we can keep trying to fix whatever issues we have left afterwards. But of course it might not always work perfectly. So let's say that you are fine with your results, then you can tap on this check in the bottom right corner, then we can export and save. So we're gonna save our edited photo. And there we go. We should be able to open it, for example, with the gallery. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.